I hope you are doing well. I welcome you all to the season of AI 2.0. I am Khushi Singhal, social media lead at HackerWorld in our college club. So today's topic is Copilot Studio, a tool that helps make work easier and faster. So let's get into it. Here what we will cover: introduction to Microsoft Copilot Studio, how it works and its core features, step-by-step workflow creation process, use cases across various industries, security, compliance and AI ethics, pricing, roadmap, challenges and conclusion. So, introduction of Copilot Studio by Microsoft. Microsoft Copilot Studio is a graphical low-code tool for creating and maintaining copilots. A copilot is an AI-powered conversational interface based on large language models and additional sources of knowledge. Copilots can engage with customers and employees in multiple languages across websites, mobile apps, Facebook, Microsoft Teams, or any channel supported by the Azure Bot service. So, what is Copilot Studio? It is a tool by using which you can create your own copilot, your own agent. Here you can see the little logo and interface of Copilot Studio. Here what say it says building your own copilot. So that is Copilot Studio. Think of it as a customizable agent that will do everything you want. Now, how Copilot Studio works. Microsoft Copilot Studio uses AI to automate tasks and streamline workflows through natural language commands. Integrated with Microsoft 365, it lets users perform complex actions across platforms like Teams, Excel, and Outlook. With machine learning, it adapts to users' need, continuously improving productivity and collaboration securely across an organization. So that was it about the how it works. Now, why Copilot Studio? Because it saves our time and effort and it's very easy also. It makes complex tasks simple and supports different industries with helpful features. Different industries like healthcare, education, finance, etc. Now, some use cases for Microsoft Copilot Studio where you can use this. Some of the ways you might use copilots include sales help and support issues, opening hours and store information, employee health and vacation benefits, public health tracking information, common employee questions for business. You can use Copilot Studio for anything wherever you need. You can easily create copilots in Copilot Studio without the need for data scientists or developers. Now, some features of Copilot Studio. Okay, so the first feature is natural language processing. What is natural language processing? It means you can uh, talk with the AI in your natural language and it will respond in a way the way you will tell it. It enables users to interact in plain language, simplifying complex tasks and making AI accessible to all users. Automated workflow creation. Copilot Studio allows you to create workflows that handle repetitive tasks on their own. Imagine setting up reports to auto generate or emails to auto send. It's all taken care of for you. Data integration. It connects seamlessly with Microsoft 365 apps, providing a unified workflow with real time data sharing across platforms. Customizable options you can in Copilot Studio there is also customization options. Users can set up personalized commands and workflows, tailoring the platform to their specific business needs. So these were the features of Copilot Studio. Yes, in this we'll see how we can create our Copilot or how we can sign into. Microsoft Copilot Studio. So first you need to open the website copilotstudio.microsoft.com, and you just need to log in. If prompted to sign in, enter your email address and select sign in. So this is the way you can create account on how to open this. Now how to create a copilot. Once you are in the correct environment, when you log in, select create from the left navigation pane as you can see in the picture, and select the new copilot tile. This screen allows you to set up your copilot by describing what you want to a conversational AI. Um, yes. Next is you just need to create it. Next is name your copilot. So we are, for example, we are taking the name as a Contoso customer service. Choose your preferred language and select the create button at the top right as you can see in the picture. Next up, within this menu, Copilot's menu, you can select from the Copilots that are available to you. Selecting the ellipsis next to a Copilot brings up drop down with controls like open the Copilot, export the Copilot, and delete. You can also select the name of the Copilot which opens it. Next is Copilot templates. The way you created a copilot, alternatively you can create a copilot based on a template, so you don't need to start it from a sketch. There are several templates like team navigator, safe travels, weather check. The templates include topics, actions, and knowledge, so you just need to click on the template. Yes. Next is machine learning capabilities. Artificial intelligence in Copilot Studio uses machine learning to learn from user behavior, gradually adapting to provide more relevant suggestions. Over time, the artificial intelligence can anticipate user needs, making proactive recommendations based on past interactions. This dynamic learning capability enhances productivity and creating a personalized experience for every user. So, Copilot Studio learns from user behavior. The more you use it, the more it adapts, making suggestions that fit your work style over time. Next is supported Microsoft ecosystem. It is fully compatible with the Microsoft ecosystem. Copilot Studio supports Office 365, Dynamics 365, Power BI, and other applications. It enables a seamless workflow from data entry to analysis and decision making. Uh, Benefits of Copilot Studio across industries. As I said earlier, there are various industries like healthcare, manufacturing, finance, and education. So, what are the benefits of Copilot Studio in these industries? First is healthcare. It automates patient data management, streamlines scheduling, and support diagnostics. Second, finance. It enhances data analysis, financial reporting, and compliance tracking. Third is manufacturing. It supports predictive maintenance, inventory control, and supply chain optimization. In education, it facilitates administrative tasks, student tracking, and online learning support. Now, comparison with the competitors. Discover the magic of Microsoft Copilot Studio, seamlessly integrated into the Microsoft 365 world, boasting a user-friendly interface, state-of-the-art AI features, and unparalleled adaptability. Copilot Studio revolutionizes how you work. Say goodbye to limitations with customizable workflows, secure collaboration, and industry-leading security protocols. So compared to other tools, Copilot Studio stands out for its deep Microsoft integration, strong security, and easy user experience. Next is customer success stories. So here are some examples of how businesses uses Microsoft Copilot Studio to solve challenges, improve productivity, and streamline workflow. Case study 1. A healthcare provider reduced patient intake time by 30% using Copilot's automated data entry and scheduling features. Case study 2. A financial firm improved reporting efficiency, saving 15 hours per month on repetitive tasks. Testimonials. Quotes from key users highlighting productivity boosts and user satisfaction. Productivity boost. Microsoft Copilot Studio helps organizations reduce time spent on repetitive tasks, enabling teams to focus on strategic work. Studies show a 25 to 40% boost in productivity with AI driven workflows, task automation, and data analysis. Copilot Studio also contributes to improved accuracy and efficiency, minimizing errors and optimizing resources. So it boosts the productivity. Yes. Next is use case one, that is project management. So in project management, Copilot Studio helps by automating reports and tracking tasks, freeing up team time for strategic planning. Applications. Teams can use Copilot Studio for task scheduling, project tracking, and reporting. Benefits: reduces administrative load, enables real-time updates, and enhances communication within project teams. Example workflow: automating status reports, updating project timelines, and sharing project insights with stakeholders. Use case second, that is data analysis. So data analysis. For data analysis, it simplifies tasks like collecting and preparing data, letting analysis focus on insights. Applications. It simplifies data analysis tasks, including data aggregation, report generation, and insights extraction. Key benefits: allows analysis to process and visualize data quickly with AI handling data cleaning and preparation. Example workflow: automating the process of collecting data from multiple sources, updating reports, and flagging anomalies. Use case 3: customer support. In customer support, Copilot Studio can answer basic questions, schedule calls, and escalate issues to live agents within when needed. Applications: AI agents can handle basic customer queries, provide product information, and escalate issues to human agents. Key benefits: reduces response times, improves customer satisfaction, and frees up support staff for complex cases. Example workflow: automating FAQ responses, scheduling support calls, and tracking unresolved issues. Now, roadmap and future enhancements. Looking forward, Microsoft plans to add more language support, improve security, and expand Copilot Studio to new regions. Planned features: Microsoft plans to expand AI functionality, enhance language support, and refine UI features. Security and compliance: future updates will include additional security updates and alignment with emerging compliance standards. Global expansion: expanding Copilot Studio's availability in additional languages and regions. Yes, Copilot Studio in Microsoft Teams. It integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Teams to support collaboration, project updates, task assignments, and real time discussions. It provides productivity tips based on user interactions, optimizing team performance. AI ethics and responsible use. So, Microsoft ensures ethical AI practices, emphasizing privacy, fairness, and transparency in how Copilot Studio operates. Now, Pricing and subscription model. So in Copilot Studio, there is also pricing and subscription model. Copilot Studio offers various subscription models designed to fit different organizational sizes and needs. What is enterprise plans? Customizable plans with scalability options, extensive support, and additional data capacity. SMB plans designed for small to medium businesses offering essential features with affordable pricing. Create collaborative editing and real-time updates. Simultaneous editing, it provides collaborative editing features, allow multiple team members to work on the same document concurrently. Instant feedback, users can leave comments, highlight specific sections, and provide contextual feedback directly within the document. Version control, Copilot Studio automatically tracks changes and maintains a comprehensive version history, allowing teams to easily revert to previous iterations or compare revisions side by side. AI powered writing assistant. First is intelligent suggestions. So it gives intelligent suggestions. It uses large language models. It analyzes your writing in real time, providing relevant word and phrases suggestions to help you craft more compelling and polished content. Grammar and style. The platform's AI powered writing assistant offers grammar corrections, tone adjustments, and style recommendations. Next is contextual insights. Copilot Studio leverages machine learning to offer contextual insights and data driven recommendations such as keyword optimization and content performance analysis to further refine your writing. Improving productivity and efficiency. So as we seen earlier, why we should use Copilot Studio because it saves our time and its efficiency. Time savings. Copilot Studio's AI powered writing assistant and workflow automation features help teams and complete tasks more quickly. Efficiency. The platform's real time collaboration tools and version control system enables seamless teamwork, reducing the back and forth and improving overall productivity. Content performance. Copilot Studio's data driven insights and analytics help teams optimize their content, leading to better engagement, conversion rates, and overall business impact. The future of creative collaboration with Copilot Studio. As the creative landscape continues to evolve, Copilot Studio stands at the forefront of the next generation of content creation tools. With its powerful AI capabilities, streamlined collaborative workflows, and seamless integration with Microsoft's ecosystem, Copilot Studio is poised to transform the way teams and enterprises approach content production, driving innovation and unlocking new levels of creativity. So, summary, key point recap, overview of core features. As you can see with the image also, features of Microsoft Copilot Studio, built-in analysis, natural language processing, customizable options. Next is impact on productivity. It emphasizes Copilot Studio's potential to transform workplace efficiency and productivity. It encourages users to explore further resources and consider how Copilot Studio can align with their business needs. So, thank you for joining this presentation.